Not sure why this is, and I certainly didn't ask them to, but they've sent me 7 of these. So I only ordered 5, but yeah, so I've got 7 of them. And here we are, all finished. Finished? Are these things ever finished? I've still got some software to write, but hardware wise, everything's working as well as I could have possibly imagined, and it all fits. My switches all work, and LED sockets all in the right place, rotary encoder, and yeah, all there, all good, all ready to go. Right, got it racked up, and yeah, everything's really kind of working as I was expecting. I've got it so that the sync free switch, at the moment it's synchronised to the incoming clock, but if I put it on free running, initially it makes no difference, but then the rotary encoder can change the time from there, and I think that works quite well. I can go all the way down to nothing, really. So, still got some software to write, but I think hardware wise my work here is done. What are you going to do with that?
The delay I'm about to design requires a craftsman and can take up to 12 weeks. It's called the Camberwell Parrot.
Impossible to design a delay in 12 weeks.
It's impossible to design a delay in anything less.
Who says it's the Camberwell Parrot?
I do. I invented it in Camberwell and it sounds like a parrot.